Okay, having this other question that is 8 divided by 2 into 2 plus 2, I'm going to be using the principle of BODMAS, not PEMDAS, because they have a bracket. BODMAS, okay, B in the bracket, this is the bracket that is taking everything within the bracket, that is equals to 2 plus 2, you are going to have 4. Okay, you are going to have to, we then multiply by this multiplication, you see. Okay, 2 times 2, 2 times what is inside the bracket, you are going to be having 8. Hence, you are going to be having an 8 divided by an 8. That is equals to 1. Okay, I know you're not understanding exactly what's happening here. You have 8 divided by what? 2. We first of all solve for this in the bracket, because we're talking about bracket. That will be equals to 2 times 4. 2 in bracket 4. Since it's still bracket, we first of all multiply. I know some guy will say we had to divide. No, that is not what happened, because this the principle we multiply, that will be 8 divided by what? 2 by 2 times 4, that is 8, and our answer will be 1. Okay, another guy will be tempted at this point, that is this, to say instead that since it's the bracket, we can apply the principle of the bracket by saying 8 divided by what? Multiply this by this, that is 4 plus 4. Yeah, at this point you are somehow close to it if you are smart or doing something wrong by adding this and this to have 8 divided by 8. But from the basic principle, division comes before addition. Hence 8 divided by 4, we are going to be having 2 and a 2 plus 4 will give a 6. Hence, and you have a wrong answer. Don't fall in this trap while solving this. Take into consideration that you have a bracket, and the bracket state, we first of all take everything related to the bracket. That will be equals to what? 8 divided by, first of all, do what is inside, that will be 4. 2 times what is inside, that will be 8. You have a 1. In case you have another question that is times 4 into 4 plus 5 times 6. In case you have something like this, how are we going to solve it? That's a question. Still using the principle of BODMAS, sorry, because you have a bracket. We first of all take into consideration what is inside the bracket. We take bracket. Okay, this is the bracket. Then what is inside the bracket? What follows? There is not of. Okay, there is division. No, there is multiplication. We start with multiplication. That is 5 times 6. Okay, 5 times 6. We have a 30 plus 4. That will be what? 34. Inside the bracket, you have a 34. Okay, hence we are going to be having what? 4 times 34, and that is equals to what? 136. Hence our answer will be what? 8 divided by 136, and 8 divided by 136 will be something like 0.058, something like that. That was just to show you how everything happened. Take that into consideration while solving. Okay, hope you like this video. If you like it, subscribe. See you in the other video that will be popping up here.